Do you want to study in Canada and you're worried about the cost? Don't worry, I got you. I've got some great news. The University of Saskatchewan has some fantastic scholarship for all international students. And some of the scholarship worth up to $40,000. And the best part of it is that many of the scholarships doesn't require a separate application. So stay tuned because I'm breaking down everything you need to know to get funded and start your Canada study adventure. Hi travelers, welcome back to Easy Travel with Olakemi. And today I'm diving into an amazing opportunity for those of you looking to study in Canada. So if Canada is on your radar and you are wondering how to fund your studies, so keep watching this video because I'm breaking down all you need to know about the scholarship. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any of our video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. On this channel, I share global opportunities for education, for work, for relocation, and living abroad. So trust me, you're going to love it here. Alright, let's start from why you should consider studying in the University of Saskatchewan. And it is also called U of S. And it is in Saskatchewan, which is such a cool and vibrant city in Canada. It is known for being affordable compared to other cities in Canada, which is also great if you're coming in as an international student trying to be on a budget. And the University of Saskatchewan is also a pretty and amazing university. It is a research-focused school, which means they're always pushing the envelope in the field like agriculture, engineering, and health science. They also have a big support system for international students so that you won't feel like you are on your own. Now, let's get into the juicy part of this scholarship. The university has fantastic scholarship, especially for international students, and a lot of them are automatic, meaning you don't have to do anything extra. Here are the main ones you should know about. Scholarship, bursaries, and awards. In this school, they have a couple of awards, which I'll be taking you through all of the awards they have, but specifically, the International Student Award, Excellency Award, is what you'll be going in through. But then that won't stop me from showing you whatever a scholarship or award they have. So if you are interested or if you fall into the category, if you're interested, you can as well apply. The first one is the Best and Brightest Entrance Scholarship. And this scholarship is for the indigenous students. So, and it's also classified into 5 different awards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this has the highest value. The next award is Competitive Entrance Award. So this is also not for international students. For international students, they have 2 different categories of scholarship, which is International Baccalaureate Award, which is IB Award. Students completing the IB diploma program will be automatically be considered for this award upon admission. To apply for the admission to be eligible for consideration is February 15. There is a program which is IB Diploma Program. If you have taken this program, automatically you'll be eligible for this award. And through my research, there are some countries that these programs are available. So it's available in Nigeria, in Ghana, in South Africa, Zimbabwe, and all that. So if you have done this diploma program before, automatically you'll be eligible for this award. And the second one is the IB Diploma Program Excellence Award, which is for domestic students, and the value is $3,000. This is for people who are already in Canada or people who have permanent residence in Canada. So if you're in Canada and you have done this IB Diploma Program, so automatically you'll be eligible or you'll be considered for this award. So for international students, the value is way higher, so which is a good one. $20,000 should be taken off your fees. And another category is the International Student Award, and they have University of Saskatchewan International Excellency Award, which value is $10,000. This is for international students to be considered automatically for this award, which are based on academic achievement upon admission. Which means, according to your academic achievements, they will decide if you are eligible for this award. So if you have a good grade in your college, if you have a good grade So I'm assuring you that you will get this award, because this award will be considered automatically based on your academic achievement. And the second one is the one which I will earn this IB Excellency Award. And the third one is Canadian Curriculum School. So this is for international students who graduated from Canadian curriculum schools. And the last one is the Council of International Award, and this is 15,000. This is also $15,000. So this is also for international students entering undergraduate degree program at the University of Saskatchewan who graduated from a CIS member school. Students who wish to consider for this award must complete the Council of International Schools Award application in-house. So for this one as well, you must have graduated from the CIS member school. The requirement and deadline, one thing I want you to have in mind is that for these awards or the program the schools, the college you'll be applying to are, and this culture and bioresources, art and science, education, Edward School of Business, Engineering, and kinesiology. I have a question regarding the admission requirement and deadline. So for the direct program, you can click on here, answer a few questions. At the school you're going to be applying to, they might requested for English proficiency, that is upon the school. But for this admission, if you've completed your high school study in English and you can prove to them, you do not need an English test for this. And there are some requirements you need to read if you meet the requirements, because for an English test, they want overall band score should be 6.5. For your reading, your listening, speaking, and writing should be 66666. And this is the maximum score requirement. They want you to feel at home because they have over 3,000 international students from 130 countries. And they also have different things going on for international students. So they have support system, they have support service for immigration. They also have work in Canada. If you want to read more about this, there are guidelines for you which you can use to do was to work in Canada. And for international students and study abroad center as well, they have support, and they also have like a group of international student center. So you can always find it here. And one more thing is that they also have an agent if you feel like you cannot handle this process or this application by yourself, because I usually receive comments or message from people who are asking me to apply for them. So the University of Saskatchewan, they have some agents which you can contact. So make sure you are very careful while doing this also, because it is also mentioned on their own website that many international education agents and partners have an agreement with the University of Saskatchewan and can help you with your application. However, you are not required to use an agent to apply to the University of Saskatchewan. So you heard it clearly. So if you want to use an agent, click on this and it will take you to the agent list, and you can contact them. If you are from India, if you are from China, if you are from Brazil, Mexico, Nepal, Nigeria, and Ghana. For Nigeria, they have Carnival Counseling and Consulting, so you can contact them, and Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, and all that. So how to apply. For you to apply for this award and the program, you have to pass through 7 different steps. So first one is to find a program. And for us to find a program, we have to click on here. To find the program, make sure there are categories of college which you can apply to, which is Edward of Business College, Edward of Business, College of Agriculture and Bioresources, College of Agriculture. They have College of Art and Science, and Agriculture and Bioresources, if you remember on the list which I mentioned before. And make sure you know that this batch means bachelor is only for bachelors, and this is bachelor and diploma, and this is bachelor and diploma as well. And they also teach this in certificates. This is certificate, this is certificate. For us, we're going to be looking at bachelor program. You can click on here to take you to the school website. Look at the terms when this program is starting. This is winter. It's going to be starting in December 1st, 2024, and international student deadline. So this one has passed. if you're looking at, this is what you'll be looking at. This February is this is what you'll be looking at, which is spring 2025. Remember, if you are entering this on the portal, make sure you remember this is what you'll be entering. So for international students, it's going to be February. You're going to study this. This is the program of how many years? 4 years degree of 2 years diploma. So it's full-time. It can be full-time or part-time. You can enter this program directly from your high school. You can begin this program off campus. So you can begin the program when you are still in your home country, and you can also start in the campus. So since we already find the program, the next thing will be learn the requirement, and then third step will be apply for admission and create an admission account. Now, if you don't have an account before, you need to create an account, and they will ask you a couple of questions. When you've answered your questions, they will send you an email for you to confirm it. So once you log in, a couple of things we need to cover up here. So the first thing is the applicant information. You have to put in your name, your legal family name. So the next step is you have to put in your gender, your citizen, your country, and save and continue. So save. So now it will take us to our English proficiency. The language of instruction and examination of the University of Saskatchewan is English. Applicants may be required to present proof of proficiency in English. So you have to check your proficiency requirement here. If you have not met the English proficiency requirement by one of the listed methods, select I do not currently meet the English proficiency requirement. So I have completed or we complete high school study in English. I have completed post-secondary university college study in English. I have completed advanced and proficiency. So we click on here and we continue. Academic history. Have you previously applied to the University of Saskatchewan? We say no. Post-secondary education, school name, and the country. So here you have to put your school name and the country. And if you have more, you can apply here. You can click on plus, then it will have more options for you to fill in your high school education. Advanced placement exams. Have you written or are you planning to write any advanced placement examination? So no. Have you completed or you are planning to complete an international IB program? If you are planning to complete this, you can say yes or say no. Have you complete or you are planning to complete any international? So no. So this brings us to the planned program of study. So program information. So let's say high school current or graduate, new to high school, last attend University of College. So here, college of the program you are applying for. So we'll be applying, let's apply to the training. We'll be applying under this program. Under this college, what degree are you planning to apply for? So let's pick this one. First choice, this is if you are applying for one program. If you want to apply for more than one program, you have to apply through the joint program. So if you are clicking this, make sure the program is starting when. This program is starting in February 1st for international students. So this is the deadline, so which is going to fall under spring. When you are selecting this, make sure you are selecting the same thing. If you wish to study at a campus or site other than the main campus in Saskatchewan, please select from the list. So let's say this using the main campus. Second choice of program. This is if you have any other choice of program that you want to pick, then you have to also select them here. So this is if you want to withdraw your information, you can click on yes, your third party representative. So there are a few questions you need to answer here. Did your parent complete a degree at the University of Saskatchewan? We will say no. How many of your family member or siblings or grandparents attend university? None. Is English the language you normally speak at home? We say yes. If you are not born in Canada, when did you move to Canada? So more than 5 years ago, within the last 5 years, I have not moved yet. So click on that. Have you been involved in leadership activities? Yes. Do you have a definite career in mind? Of course, yes. Which career? So you can write the career here, and if not, it's not necessary you write it. Application declaration. Do you satisfy the following? I agree the information I provided on the application is true and complete in all respect, and no relevant information has been withheld. Do you satisfy the following? I understand that misinterpretation, falsification of documents, or withholding of requested information in regard to this application are serious offense which may result in prosecution under the University Regulation on Student Academic Misconduct and/or the Criminal Code of Canada. I understand that University of Saskatchewan may take steps to verify information on this application, including disclosing relevant personal information to referees and other institutions or organizations for the purpose of verification. I also agree that the other institutions may be notified if misrepresentation, falsification, or fraud is discovered. So yes, do you clarify the following? If admitted, I am hereby acknowledge and agree that I am bound by and will respect all policy and rules of University of Saskatchewan as amended from time to time. So here you're going to write your full name, enter here to complete an application declaration, submit application. This is coming on because there are some places that I skip, and I expect you, when you are applying for your own, I expect you to fill up every details. This is just a head up for me to understand how to apply for this program. So it's very easy and very simple. Make sure you read everything completely, carefully, and answer accordingly. I hope you understand how to apply for this award and the school at the same time. As I said, it's just one application. If you follow the same step that I show you, you should not have any problem in submitting your application. So if you have any further question regarding the application, if you come across any difficulty in applying for this, please leave a comment for me, and you can also reach out to me through my email, which is on my YouTube. Make sure to forward your email, and I'll make sure to respond to your email. So guys, before I wrap it up, guys, I just want to add a few tips for you guys while you are applying. For the automatic scholarship, they are based on academic performance. So if your grades are high, you're already in the good spot. And another tip which I will tell you is that if you are still in school and you have the chance to get involved in extracurriculars, leader roles, or community work, go for it. It could make a big difference. And the third tip is that in your personal statements, let them see the real you. Don't just write your achievement. Talk about your passion, talk about your dreams, and why studying in Canada matters to you. So guys, that is it on the scholarship for international students at the University of Saskatchewan. If studying in Canada is your dream, the University of Saskatchewan could be a great option. So especially with these scholarship opportunities that can really help you financially. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't for more tips and insight about studying abroad. And if you know someone who also needs this video, who wants to study in Canada, don't forget to share this video with them. And until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.